Hey there friend, welcome back. This video I am going to show you how to delete your TikTok search history easily. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone, open the TikTok application. After the TikTok app is open, look at the bottom menu bar. You can see various options. Click on the profile option. Once you are in the profile page, tap on the three-line hamburger menu icon in the top right corner. Here, you can find the settings and privacy option. Tap to open them. After this page is open, scroll down slowly. You can see various options. Located the activity center option. Tap to open them. Here you can see lot of options there. Look for the search history option appear. Click on them, and you can see all of the search history listed there. To delete them everything, simply first tap on the select option at the top right corner. After that, look at the bottom left corner. You can find the select all search history at one time. Simply tap on it, and right now your all of search history are selected. After it's selected, look at the bottom right corner, click on delete all option. Then tap delete button again to confirm this process. And right now you have successfully deleted your TikTok all search history your phone. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my new channel.